One thing I love to do when I'm on holiday is walk bare feet on the sand by the sea and feel the waves and the sea and the warm sand on my feet, in between my toes. And one thing I love to do when I get back home is visualize that to raise my vibration. So I'm going to make this video, this tapping video, so that I can remind myself, and hopefully it can remind you too, of that wonderful sensation of being on holiday and feeling the sand and the sea between your toes. So as you can see, it's quite windy here, but it's still warm and it's still lovely. My name is Tamara Donn, and I am from the EFT Training Centre. And if you haven't done EFT before, it stands for Emotional Freedom Techniques. It's also known as tapping, and the invitation is simply to do what I do and say what I say. And if you don't like what I do or say, then simply don't do it. So let's get going. So first of all, measure your well-being scale from a scale from -10 through 0 to +10, where -10 is the least ever, 0 is neutral, and +10 is feeling fantastic. And what we're going to do is we're going to be tapping on that sensation of the sand and the sea on our feet to see if we can raise our vibration right now. So put your hands in the center of your chest and say that wonderful sensation of feeling the sand and the sea in between my toes and on my feet. And take 3 deep breaths. And top of the head, just feeling that feeling of the sand and the sea in between my toes and my feet, and take a deep breath. And on the third eye, sand on my feet energy, and take a deep breath. And beginning of the eyebrow, that warmth of the water and the waves, and take a deep breath. And the side of the eye, warm water and the sound of the waves. And under the eyes, sensing the salt in the air, smelling the salt, tasting the salt of being by the sea. And take a deep breath. And under the nose, even warmer, melting into that warmth of being on the beach, and take a deep breath. And on the chin, warming my bones, and take a deep breath. And on the collarbone point, even more sand and sea energy, and take a deep breath. And on the thumb point, breathing that energy through my feet, into my legs, and take a deep breath. And on the first finger, and breathing it up into every cell of my body, helping me feel more relaxed, soothing my bones and muscles with the warmth of the sea and the sand. And take a deep breath. And on the middle finger, and if that sand and sea sensation had a colour, what colour would it be? For me, it's the warm golden yellow of the sand and the sun. And take a deep breath in. And on the ring finger, even more golden, soothing sunshine, sea and sand radiating my body. And take a deep breath. And on the little finger, and infusing that holiday sunshine, sea and sand energy into the rest of my day. And take a deep breath. And on the side of the hand, bathing every part of me in an abundance of golden sunshine, sea and sand energy. And take a deep breath. And put your hands on your heart chakra. Say transform, and take a deep breath. Transform. So now assess your level, your well-being scale from -10 through 0 to +10. I hope you're feeling a little bit soothed, or even a lot soothed by this sunshine, sea and sand video. If you want to know more about EFT, then check out my website, tamaradonn.com, and have an amazing day. Bye.